Want to see a waterfall that is twice the height of the Niagara and has a tremendous water flow? Join me as we visit the brink of the lower falls in the Grand Canyon in Yellowstone National Park. Tough hike down, but the The Grand Canyon is ever growing, as you can see on the board. We have a tough hike to get down to the lower brink of the falls, and here we are. Beautiful spot with totally mesmerizing views as it falls 306 feet. Here we are in what is called the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone Park. Gorgeous place. We just finished a trek to the lower falls. Now we are on our way to the upper falls, walking through silent forest paths. Ooh. Told to make a lot of noise in case bears come. Here we go to the upper falls.
Let's go.
Wow, look at the roaring water behind me. We are at the upper falls of Grand Canyon. And see the water, see the speed with which the water is moving. And it's roaring and falling down several hundred feet. Look behind, that's where the water is coming from. Gorgeous. There are many beautiful scenic spots at the upper falls, including Artist Point and Inspiration Point. We have lovely photos of this. Reach out to learn more. As you can see, it cuts through the canyon. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and watch out for more videos from us. Thank you.